Are your students bored of your presentations? And you as a teacher, are you also bored of making presentations with the help of PowerPoint? See, we have been using PowerPoint presentation for quite a long time in the class, and students are now fed up of these PowerPoint presentations. We want to present our content in a different manner, in a different way. So what can we do? Today we are going to learn a tutorial where we are going to make use of TED, the website with which you are going to plan your lesson, with which you are going to execute a lesson in a different manner. There are certain steps that we are going to follow, which is going to take your class in a very different world. So let's learn new tool, TED. In TED, go to the website ed.ted.com. On TED website, you have to register yourself. I am already a registered user, so I can see my name here. But first of all, you have to register yourself. Once you register, you can discover the lessons which are already present in TED. There are so many lessons which are prepared by different teachers and educators. Depending on subject, you can search. Depending on your subject, you can search for the lessons. Say I have got a lesson on nutrition. So many lessons related to nutrition are there. So you can make use of these lessons which are already present in TED. But of course, we want to make our own lesson. So you will go to the tab Create a lesson. Now when you go to create a lesson, TED prompts you to prepare your lesson starting with a video. You can directly copy paste a link from YouTube, or you can search for videos which are present in TED. Say for example, I am dealing with a class and teaching nutrition to the class. I give a search related to nutrition, and then I will see the videos related to nutrition. Now say my class is of 30 or 40 minutes. I won't be using a video of 37 minutes. So I'll be selecting a small video which will be ranging from 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll insert that video in my class. If you want to see, you can watch those videos before inserting, see whether they are suitable or not, or you can copy them from YouTube. Alright. Now I come to this page where I have to write my lesson title, and that is, it is prompting me fit, facts, food and nutrition. I will say nutrition class 5 and save. Now I am preparing a lesson on nutrition for class 5. I'll be starting my lesson with this video. And then next what? It says let's begin. I can see these 5 tabs here where I can add different activities. In let's begin, I will put some activity for my introduction. Maybe I will ask them a question. What do you like to eat? Alright, so I ask this question as an introduction and save. Once I click on save, this question will get saved in Let's Begin. In Let's Begin, you can have different activities planned for your class. Maybe I will start with some game or activity, or maybe I will show them some pictures. Whatever you want to do, you can start with your Let's Begin section. Then comes Think. Our class must have some activities which will make students think, and we make students think with the help of questions. So we have 2 types of questions, multiple choice questions and open question. When I click on open question, I can add a question here. Say what are the types of fruits. Okay, then I ask them what are the vegetables, what are the types of vegetables. Alright, so I can keep on asking such questions and make them think. In dig deeper section, you have to explain them more of content. So whatever content you want to teach, you can just simply copy paste from your PDF document or a Word document, or you can have some presentation here. You can add an image. Here we are supposed to teach the concept in detail. So we will add different images. Say at random I am adding some images from pictures that are there in my PC. So that picture will get uploaded here and you can ask some questions here. You can add as many pictures as you want, and you can add links also, which will be for different websites or resources for the students, and you will be able to see all that coming here. You can also see the preview, how it is going to look like, how it is going to be seen in front of the students, and then you will click on save. Once you save that, we will be going to discuss. Okay, we are going to give them some prompt, some question, some activity which will help them and help them understand the topic in detail. What discussion we can give? Why should you eat home food? Okay, and in description we write nutritive value, freshness, hygiene, different points which are related to this question. And once you click on save, this content will also get saved in this tab. And at the end and finally, you can give some activity. Here you can post some questions for them, some fill in the blanks, match the pair kind of thing, or some activity which they can do it at home, or you can give a link which you can paste here, and then students will go to those links and understand the topic in detail when they go home. Say for example, I search the content on Google. So I feel this is a very good, say for example, this is a very good resource for nutrition. So I just click on that and copy that link and paste in the link section. Okay. So this is how you give your concluding remark. Now in think, I forgot to tell you about multiple choice question. You can ask a multiple choice question also. Which is your favorite food? And here I can write different choices. You can keep on adding choices. Okay, and save. You can add as many questions as you want, multiple choice questions and open-ended questions, they will be seen here. Right? Now I can see some problem here. You can see, you can add another, you can add some questions here. I can see there's some problem here. I cannot see what is given in dig deeper. So I can edit that before. I can see that the image is not uploaded. So I again go and select the image and upload it. Ask some questions related to that and go ahead. You can also have another small video or tutorial. You can have some, you can see the image uploaded here. Alright, how it is going to look? It is going to look like this. Okay, and then you're going to have some questions also. You can add some question. Again, you can click on edit. Alright, and you can add some question and then save. Alright, so this is how your lesson will be planned. It will begin with the video. It will then begin with some activity that you plan for the students. You may actually conduct that activity in the class. Then you can have some MCQs and open-ended questions asked in the class. You can have detailed discussion about certain topics, certain points with the help of Word document, of PowerPoint presentation, or with the help of a link. And then students will discuss certain points and they will have the homework at the end. Okay, and then you just click on publish. When you click on publish, you don't want to keep it to your students, you want to make it public, so don't require students to use TED account. Share your lesson. Once you click on that, I get the link here. You can copy that link. Okay, it says copied. Okay, and then I can send it via email or WhatsApp or any other social media to the student. Student, when clicks on that link, they will be coming to this page and will be able to see your lesson. This is how you can prepare your lesson in TED Ed. It's a good idea to start with TED Ed.